luxury, performance, and tech all in one stunning package. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is here, and it's more refined, more intelligent, and more powerful than ever. Whether you're cruising the freeway or going off-road in style, this SUV is built to impress. Let's dive into everything you need to know in this 5-minute review. The 2026 Mercedes GLE is available in multiple trims: a GLE 350, GLE 450, GLE 580, and the AMG GLE 5363S. All models now come with mild hybrid technology for better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. You get a 2.0 liters turbo inline-4 in the GLE 350, a turbocharged 3.0 liters inline-6 in the GLE 450, and a beastly 4.0 liters twin-turbo V8 in the AMG models. Mercedes has also added more advanced driver assistance features and updated the MBux system. The 2026 Mercedes GLE is available in multiple trims: a GLE 350, GLE 450, GLE 580, and the AMG GLE 5363S. All models now come with mild hybrid technology for better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. You get a 2.0 liters turbo inline-4 in the GLE 350, a turbocharged 3.0 liters inline-6 in the GLE 450, and a beastly 4.0 liters twin-turbo V8 in the AMG models. Mercedes has also added more advanced driver assistance features and updated the MBux system. Step inside and you're greeted with true Mercedes-Benz luxury. Premium leather, real wood or aluminum trims, and soft-touch materials wrap every inch. The centerpiece is the dual 12.3-inch screens with the latest MBux interface, now featuring more intuitive voice controls and gesture recognition. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting in 64 colors, and an optional Burmester 3D surround sound system that's simply out of this world. Comfort is where the GLE truly excels. The cabin is whisper quiet, with enhanced sound insulation and adaptive air suspension that makes potholes feel like whispers. Both rows offer ample space, and the optional third row can be a plus for families. Ventilated and massaging front seats, 4-zone climate control, and the new energizing comfort feature make every drive a spa-like experience. From a daily driver to a performance SUV, the GLE offers it all. The GLE 350 is smooth and efficient, while the GLE 450's inline-6 delivers strong mid-range punch with hybrid assist. But if it's pure thrill you want, the AMG GLE 63S pushes out 603 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. Yes. In an SUV, standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensures confident handling in all conditions, and the available active body control scans the road ahead to eliminate body roll. It's like driving a magic carpet. The 2026 Mercedes GLE is more than just an SUV, it's a luxurious tech powerhouse with the performance to match. Whether you're after comfort, cutting-edge features, or AMG muscle, there's a GLE built for you. It's not just a car, it's a statement. So, is the 2026 GLE the ultimate luxury SUV in its class? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Car Trends, where your next ride begins.